Hello everyone, welcome back to another watch-in. Today I'm not using my actual better camera setup or microphone setup. I did have one of my subscribers ask me a question on how to set the actual day on the William Gregor I received from my Watch Gang regular subscription. So he's got the same watch, doesn't know how to set the day. Now this movement is a Seiko PC33A or an SII Products PC33A movement. Now normally you would pull the crown out to the first position, which allows you to set the actual date. In some movements, that's when you wind clockwise. In some movements, if you wind counterclockwise, it will change the day. Unfortunately, on this particular movement, it does not. You're only getting the date changed with the crown at first position and not the day. The only way to do the actual day is to wind all the way through to the day that you're on. So because I was already playing around with this a little bit, it was set correctly on Thursday, and now we're winding through Saturday. We're winding through, Sunday, wherever we need to go. And I'm not going to wind all the way through to Thursday, guys, because I'm sure you don't want to watch that much video or have it go that long. I just wanted to show you what you have to do to get the correct day. So now if you're on the correct day, now's when you're going to set the time. So, we are sitting at whatever that is, 5 or 6:15, sorry. Sometimes it's hard to see. So you're going to want to set it 6:15, go back to the first crown position, which now setting at 6:15, you can't see the date. So we'll go back to the first crown position, set the date that you're at, and go all the way back in, and you're done. So that is how you have to change the day on this one. Kind of a pain, takes you a while to wind through. So thanks for tuning in. If you guys have any questions about any of the watches you've seen me do, and it's something like that I can make a quick video for you guys, let me know. I'll try and shoot a quick video because it might help others too. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.